Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to share one of the simplest yet most useful tricks you can use with Google Drive, converting a Word document into a PDF in just a few clicks. Whether you're submitting assignments, sharing professional reports, or just need a secure format that doesn't mess up your formatting, this method is 100% free, quick, and works perfectly in 2025. So, stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll be doing it like a pro. Let's jump right in. First, make sure you're signed in to your Google account and open Google Drive. If you already have your Word document uploaded, great. If not, simply click the New button on the left, select File Upload, and choose your Word document. It will upload in seconds. Once your document is in Google Drive, double-click to open it. By default, Google Drive will open Word files in Google Docs format, so don't worry if you see a slightly different interface. That's normal, and it won't affect the formatting too much. Now comes the easy part. Click on File in the top left corner, hover over Download, and select pdfdocument.pdf. Google Drive will automatically convert your Word file into a clean, professional-looking PDF and download it straight to your computer. If you want to share it directly without downloading, you can click Share instead. Adjust the settings to Viewer mode for others, and that way, they can access the PDF version online without being able to edit it. Here's a quick pro tip. This method works on any device: desktop, laptop, Chromebook, and even your phone's browser. Plus, it keeps the formatting neat and secure, which is why it's one of the best free ways to convert documents in 2025. And that's it. You've just learned how to convert Word to PDF using Google Drive the easy way. No complicated software, no paid tools, just a few simple clicks. If this tutorial helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more quick tech guides, and drop a comment if you want me to cover other Google Drive tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.